This is like perfect walk around the Christmas markets kind of drink.
Wow. Yeah.
Come on, Jess! This is good snack food.
What is this? Like, is this a normal or is this a York thing?
Alrighty guys, very quickly before this vlog starts, we have an exciting announcement.
We have new merch!
We've officially opened up a proper store. We did the kind of 2 launches limited edition, and so many of you guys have left comments saying, can I still get the merch? Well, we've just brought out a whole new store with
and it's here to stay.
Here to stay. Check out the link below. We cannot wait to see you guys in it, and we want to start a new feature on the vlogs where we kind of feature one of you guys in our merch traveling. Thank you so much for support. Back to the vlogs. Good morning everybody, welcome to York. We've made our way a bit further north. Yesterday we had our morning coffee down in Manchester, jumped on the train. It was about an hour and a half to get up here.
We actually asked you guys where we should go next, and so many of you guys said York, and I'm so glad we listened. This place is so cute. This is the first like kind of thing we've seen so far, and there is a city wall. So we're currently walking along the city wall, but this place is so kind of medieval and it's really like well preserved. Really different to any of the other cities we've been to so far since coming up north, but this is the little city wall right here.
The temperature has dropped a bit. Like I saw smoke coming out of my breath before.
But look how like old looking all the buildings are.
Yeah, it's definitely super medieval looking. Wow.
Guys, we're just walking along the water and I kept noticing these little red boats, and then I saw that they were self-drive. So I've just spent the last 10 minutes trying to convince Stephen that he needs to drive a boat for me. He's never driven a boat before and we're hiring one.
I've never driven a boat before. And which side of the river do you drive on? Is it manual? Like, how does this work? No experience driving a boat, guys. Let's just see. Hopefully the traffic isn't too bad.
Yeah, step on the seat. Steering's very simple. Left and right.
Yep.
You've got neutral, just there in the middle, so to go forwards.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. The 1 minute crash course on how to drive a boat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, bye. So this is forward?
I don't know, I didn't watch.
Oh
my gosh, we are boat people now.
No idea.
Wow.
Boat people now. This is cool.
Wait, concentrate.
Okay, this is so cool.
So literally 1 minute crash course, and now we are currently on Yvette. That is our boat. It's this little red boat here, cruising along.
Welcome to our new channel, guys. We are just going to be living on this for the next foreseeable future. Come on, Jess.
This canoeing.
Come on, take us under our first bridge, Jess. I have this ready if you crash.
I need it.
Jess! What are you doing? We need to go through the center.
Something about the way you sound shakes me up and makes me get down. Oh my. When I get that feeling, you can hear.
It's so cool. It's actually really easy once you get the hang of it. You just gotta watch out for the big boats, the canoers, the kayakers, the big swans, and then you're fine. Seriously guys, York is so pretty. Like, look at that little town.
Especially from the river.
It's such a cool way to see it. Alright, time to go faster.
It goes an extra kilometre an hour. My only complaint is I thought this boat ride was for me. She's literally hogged it the entire time.
It's so fun!
The question is, can she park her? Oh.
So you're still going forward, just knock it down to neutral, just down the caution. So one more, backwards.
We were just walking past in through the town and we saw a cute little Cornish bakery. I know we're not in Cornwall, but...
The first time we ever had one was in Cornwall though, and this will be our second time ever having a Cornish pastie. But yeah, we wanted to warm back up after the little boat drive. Digging into a Cornish pastie and enjoying the day.
Cheers, Bubs. So I was messaging my cousin Lee, who lives in, like near Birmingham, and we said, what should we do in York? And she said, you have to go out for afternoon tea at Betty's. And we walked past it and it was so unbelievably busy. So we went back through our messages and she was like, no, you have to walk down this cute little walkway. It's this tiny, it's the original shop. You have to walk through the tea shop to actually get in to have the afternoon tea. So we're going to go check it out.
This is fancy.
Cheers, Bubs. We had to go for some scones with jam and clotted cream.
But we also got...
I didn't know this was a thing. So this is called a fat rascal or a Yorkshire fat rascal.
It's like, they say it's half between a... Oh, it's hot. A half between a scone and like a tea cake. Ooh.
Oh, that looks
like
nice.
Soft. I expect it to be really hard. Wait, you have to try it with me. Ready?
Ding! That's really yummy.
Oh, that's really yummy. It's like a soft scone cake.
Can you hear me?
Oh, is he soft?
I don't think I've ever been into a teddy bear store where it's just teddy bears.
It's Paddington.
Can you hear
Is it happening?
me whisper to ya in my dreams? Well, the weather is fine.
It was literally so sunny. Walked into the Christmas store, walked out into a storm.
What? There was literally not a cloud in
I
the
would not have
sky.
expected that. It was like sunny. Well, at least we have an excuse now to go shopping.
Yeah, I know. Well, I can't complain, guys. We've had
How did this happen?
amazing weather in the UK so far. So
This is our first like full-on rainy day out. Yeah, can't complain because we've been here for like a week now and it hasn't been so bad.
Was it because we had afternoon tea and we're just having such a British afternoon? They're like, you know what? Let's just make it extra British for you.
So we've just come down to the Shambles markets and it's like a mixture of kind of fruit and veg stalls, local little trinkets, flowers and stuff like that. And if you follow the markets, it takes you to the Shambles, which is a really, really famous street here in York. So we just saw something called Ancient Ginger Brew and we were like, okay, we have to try that because we love ginger, but this is like packed full of spices. I feel like this would be perfect if you've got a cold. But just look at this.
This is like perfect walk around the Christmas markets kind of drink.
Wow. Yeah, it smells really spicy. Oh wow.
Oh, is it packing a punch?
Oh yeah. If you had a cold, this would be what you need. Wow.
How's the sun out? It's like glaringly bright at the moment.
Oh, at least it's not raining anymore. Morning guys,
morning.
it is the next day. So yesterday it was Saturday and we didn't realise how busy York is, like how popular of a spot it is.
Also, if you're from the UK, can you please let us know if York is the go-to hens and bucks night? Because that's all we saw last night.
So there was like a bunch of hens, a bunch of bucks, people walking around. So we were like, okay, let's go back to our hotel and just spend the night chilling out. We're staying at such a nice place. It's called The Principal. It's actually the same hotel chain that we stayed at while we were in Manchester. And the room is so cozy and so warm. We basically spent all afternoon in there. And then for dinner, we actually went to the hotel restaurant, which is so cute as well. I'll totally recommend it. If you guys are coming here for like a weekend getaway, The Principal is the perfect place to stay. It is so nice. But now it is Sunday. The church bells have been ringing for the last half an hour. So I don't know what's going on. I guess there's like a church service. But we're hoping now that it's Sunday morning, it's a little bit less crazy so we can go out and explore a little bit more because we're going to be here for the next few hours before we jump on our train to our next spot. Alrighty guys, we've come down to the Shambles in the morning and it is so much better. Yesterday you couldn't walk down here, but now look. And everything's starting to open up. It smells like bakeries and tea.
The street dates back to the 14th century and actually used to be where all the butchers were. So it looks very cute now. I'm sure when it was initially built, you would not want to be walking down this street. And you can kind of see the designs. I don't know how modern this bit is, but it kind of looks like where all the fluids would come out of the shops. Of course, it can't be a historic street without a Christmas store. Already lost Jess. Which competing Harry Potter store do we go into? This one here? Or this one here?
I want to go this one. The shop that must not be named.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, they have all the...
Oh, they got a little golden snitch.
Oh, little books and stuff. It's like an illustrated version of the Philosopher's Stone. What do you reckon?
I think you should take it to Scotland with us.
Guys, so we've come to the UK a couple of times, and one thing is we've never tried a proper Sunday roast, and we've never tried Yorkshire pudding. So something they do here in York is they actually serve a Sunday roast inside a Yorkshire pudding. So this is the first time we're ever going to try Yorkshire pudding in York, and it's a massive bowl. Like, have you ever seen anything like this?
Where
Like,
do you
it's the side of like,
begin?
I don't even know. I'm guessing you're meant to like eat the middle and then you eat the bowl, but I really want to try the bowl.
Okay.
Always wanted to try Yorkshire pudding.
Well, I mean, we all know what like veggies taste like, so. What's it taste like? I've never had one before.
It's like a crunchy kind of pastry.
Okay.
Oh, it's really yummy though.
This is good snack food.
What is this? Like, is this a normal or is this a York thing? They really tried to like up their Yorkshire pudding level.
Wow, that's just something else.
Yorkshire pudding's interesting. It's like savoury. Goes really well with gravy. It's like, yeah, crispy pastry. You need to dig in.
So yeah, I'd say this is a good Sunday roast snack to just walk
This
around the
is
streets
not
in.
how you're meant to eat it.
Oh, Yorkshire pudding is actually so good. I don't know what I was expecting. Yum.
Alright guys, we're off to Edinburgh. We're currently on, I've never driven on this train before. Liner
Liner?
train?
Oh,
It's
Liner.
really nice though. Yeah, 2 hours and we'll be in Scotland.
Oh, it's quite a cozy little cabin as well, which is nice. Alright, see you England. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that look at York. We have just made our way towards Scotland, which is going to be our next stop on this UK train trip. But if you are new around here, make sure you hit subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.
Yesterday we had a massive storm hit Edinburgh, which of course is not that rare.
Am I ready to explore Scotland?
And the green one and the yellow one, and they're all made of